Hi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to delete video files saved from our BlueStacks. If you are interested to this topic, just keep watching cause I started after this short intro. To delete video files or exported files from BlueStack, just follow these 3 simple steps. First step. Open System Apps and then click Media Manager to open the files. Second step. From this window simply click one video. The video will play automatically. So, press pause button to stop it playing and then you can see the small image from the upper left corner of the window. Click it and then the file folders will appear. Third step. Look at the 3 dots at the upper right corner of the window. Press it and then the drop-down menu will appear. You may click Select Album and then click the folder you want to delete. Press Delete button at the upper right corner to delete the file and then click OK. You may also select the video you want to delete by clicking this folder and click video file you want to delete. 3 dots appear again at the upper right corner. Press it and then click Delete to delete the selected file and then press OK. To check, just click again the System app and then open the Media Manager. Here, you can see that the file already deleted. That's would be all guys. Hope you learn it. If you find this video tutorial informative, please give thumbs up by clicking like button. And don't forget to subscribe and smash the notification bell to update you of my new upload video. Thank you once again. See you for my next video.